Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change PNG color in Illustrator. It will be really simple and easy. So as you can see, I have this PNG here and I want to change its color. Select the PNG first, then go to the window and select Image Trace. Here is the Image Trace panel. Change the mode to color. Click on Advanced Options. Check the Ignore White option and then click trace. The progress bar here showing that the image trace is applying on the PNG image. The PNG is traced now. Now close the image trace panel, click on expand and then we will recolor it. But before recoloring the PNG, we will make sure that the shadow color does not change. So ungroup the PNG first, select the object only, go to recolor option. Recolor panel is here. Choose the color you want for PNG and then as you can see the color has been successfully changed. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change PNG color in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.